Today's video focuses on finding out the LCM. If you want to learn about multiples, I have a separate video on multiples and LCM discussed in detail. I have put a link in the description box below. Please do check it out. Let us now get started by finding out the LCM of two simple numbers, 9 and 6. First, we pick the smallest prime number, which is 2, and then check if any one of the numbers in question are multiples of 2. Though 9 is not a multiple of 2, 6 is a multiple. So we start dividing by 2 as shown here. Since 9 is not a multiple of 2, we bring it down as it is. Then we divide 6 by 2 and write down 3. We need to continue the same steps until we get the final result of all ones. Again we start with the smallest prime number 2. But in this step, we find that both the numbers are not multiples of 2. So we move on to the next prime number, 3. Now both 9 and 3 are multiples of 3. So we go ahead and divide them both to get a result of 3 and 1. Our next pick for the divisor would be 3. Now divide the two numbers by 3 and you get the result of 1 and 1. So we stop here. Then we pick all the numbers which were used as divisors, and the product of these three numbers will be our LCM of 9 and 6. So we compute 2 into 3 into 3, which is 18, and that is the LCM of 9 and 6. Next, let us try to find the LCM of three numbers, 2, 6 and 12. First we divide by 2 and write down 1, 3 and 6. Okay, in the next step, we can divide by 2 again because 6 is a multiple of 2. So we go ahead and start dividing by 2. Now we write down 1, 3 and 3. So obviously the next prime number to be chosen would be 3. And then once we divide, we get 1, 1 and 1. So we stop here. And what do we do next? Pick up all our divisors, which are 2, 2 and 3, and find the product. Thus the LCM of 2, 6 and 12 is 12. Now for the final example, let us choose larger numbers, 20, 24 and 18. First we divide by 2 to get 10, 12 and 9. Next we divide by 2 again to get 5, 6 and 9 as it is. Then we divide by 2 for the third time and we get 5, 3 and 9. Then we pick up 3 and start dividing and write down 5, 1 and 3. So we divide by 3 again to get 5, 1 and 1. Our last step is to divide by 5 to get a result of all ones. Then we pick all the numbers on your left. Find the product and thus you get the LCM. In this case, it is 360. Hope you understood how to find the LCM of two or more numbers. If you like my videos, give me a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.